Perfect.
From Cloak.
From in Twin Tower.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again.
Hello.
We're here at
KL Central.
KL Central.
Dito na naman po kami. Mangi-istorbo sa inyong wall.
Ganon.
Like and follow.
And subscribe. Hi, Mar! Oo. Hello! Nandito na kami sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Basically, nasa ano kami, Bukit Bintang.
Bukit Bintang.
Actually, nasa Isitan kami.
Ha?
Background, Isitan Recto yan.
Ah, yung green.
I smell.
So, ayun na nga guys, may napasukan kaming cute na store dito malapit sa pavilion.
I will show in vlog. This one for Koy. And this for Tintin. And then this one for Ron.
And then how about for Danny?
For Danny, Tuba. Wow! Cute!
So, ayun na nga, it's almost 6 o'clock p.m. dito sa Malaysia. And then, pupunta kami dun sa Banyan Tree building. Banyan Tree building, tapos nandun yung Vertigo Skybar Keneso. Maganda yung view doon. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Nakita ko yun sa TikTok. Meron na kaming na-check kanina na kainan, yung V88 Cafe. Sa TikTok din siya galing. Tapos, ngayon naman pupunta kami dun sa Vertigo Skybar. Nakita lang din namin siya sa TikTok.
Finally.
Horizon. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Jalan Alor at magfo-food trip kami.
Paano overwhelmed?
Nakaka-overwhelm kasi parang ang sarap ng mga pagkain tapos as in umaalingaso, ang babango as in. Ủa lại frăng vậy bạn? Okay.
Kaya ba natin kainin yan? Take out.
Good morning everyone. Welcome back again. So today is Saturday, March 9. Nag-check out kami dun sa isang hotel namin kasi lilipat kami sa ibang hotel. Hindi ko din maintindihan sa sarili ko bakit kaya pinaghiwalay ko pa yung hotel. Samantalang ang ganda naman ng location ng hotel namin na to dito malapit sa Jalan Alor. So ayun na nga. Naglalakad kami ngayon papunta naman dun sa kabilang hotel kasi malapit lang. And then iiwan namin yung mga gamit namin tapos pupunta kami ng Genting Highlands. Ganon. So for the walk muna kami this morning. Mabilis lang naman, 16 minutes lang. So bye! Baby, what can you say about Malaysia?
Just walking. Then I have a lot of things to bring you back to Cambodia.
But it's good you can enjoy Malaysia.
Of course, I like the weather here. I don't like Chinese.
You don't like China.
Oh my God.
So you cannot go to Japan.
Japan, we have the season to go also. Not like I have to go on when it's like winter.
So we will go to Japan during summer.
Yeah. Let's go to winter. Bye. You go.
I will go alone. I will go with Habib
You go.
if there's snow.
I cannot.
Next month.
Ha?
See you next month, Japan.
Hi. So cute. Hello. You want go?
Saya kira ada sedia keluar bersama.
A lot of people.
Because I as far as I remember.
Papunta na kami sa Genting Island. So ayun na nga. Ano ba?
Highlands.
Ay,
Kanina pa pa island.
Genting Highlands.
Kailan pa naging ang island ng mountain?
Kahapon. Genting Highlands.
Sabi ko, bakit ito island?
Gaga, nakalimutan ko na kasing H. Genting Islands. Silent H. Hi! Nandito na kami sa station. Pasakay ng cable car. Welcome to Genting Island. Genting Highlands pala. Kanina pa ako Genting Island. Oo nga naman, para magkakaroon ng island sa taas ng bundok. Mars, welcome to Genting Island.
Welcome to
Genting Islands. Islands talaga.
Kahapon ka pa island ng island, hindi na kita ino-correct para mabash ka.
Island.
Kasi yung maraming cable pa. I mean, no, wait, we don't have ticket. Ano, counter tayo, kiosk? Check na. Gondola. Yung standard lang 10. Yan, standard. Standard gondola one way.
Bakit hindi two-way? Return.
Return niya na lang.
18, no?
O, siya na lang. O, yan na nga. Tatlo. Yeah. Oh, may glass din pala. May glass.
Dapat mo tayo sa glass.
O sige, balik mo. May nakita akong glass eh.
Glass floor, return.
May glass door pala tayo. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Kasi, lagi ng kabana. Like, serious na. I feel like it's fast. Oh my God. Hindi ako makatingin. Uy, I like this. Ooh! Oh my God, it's so hard.
Butas mo.
It's fine. Oh, we still have one more
Oh
station.
my God. No.
Have to buy?
Are we gonna play ba?
No,
Alright.
just asking.
Just asking. Grabe, ang ganda dito.
So ayun na nga, for the mayaman, naka-glass kasi kami na floor. Sila normal. Oh, it's coming.
This one, let's see.
Itong Habib na to, ang daming ka-artihan kasi.
It's coming. It's actually expensive.
Ganon?
50 RM.
Oh, see? Oh my God, wait.
We're only 3. Please
Okay.
don't go with us. Oh my God, they're calling us to go. No one come with us.
Hey, you have
Ang ganda dito.
Lugo po kayo sa wakay. Dali na. Tapos kayong pag... Ang ganda dito, oh gago.
that maybe this one. And the guy is dead.
You know
Buy
what,
for
Dara? You know what, in
Right.
Victoria's Secret, you can buy 0.5 bikini.
Huh?
0.5 US.
Here, L1. L102. It's just a small room. Okay, so ako ay nagbabalik. And I'm back. Nag-shower lang kami and then
Ako hindi.
nasa labas na naman kami.
Pero fresh pa.
Do you know, baby, where are we going?
I don't.
We will go to find Jollibee. It's just near here. How many kilometers? Only 1 kilometer, right? Oh. So we will find the Jollibee. Of course, the comfort food of the Filipinos. Ganon. Finally, nandito na kami sa hostel namin. After 14 kilometers na paglalakad today. Na-monitor namin yung paglalakad namin today. 14 kilometers, di ba? Mars, di ka ba naiinitan? Ha? Ang init eh. Manapit kasi tayo sa chimney. Chimenea, yes. In English, chimney. Kaba. Good morning! So, this is our last day here in Malaysia. So, nag-check out na kami. Tapos, dala na namin yung mga gamit namin. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. 3 days kami dito. So, siguro baka kakain na lang kami somewhere. Bahala na ako saan mapadpad. Nag-purchase muna kami ng Clia Express. Yung Clia Express, yun yung papuntang airport. Merong diretso, tapos merong hindi ring diretso. Parang ganoon yung pagkakaintindi ko.
Yung ticket.
So, ayun na. Check out na kami.
Bintang tayo. Para makuha na natin. Saan makukuha yung key niyan?
Wala, isasara lang.
Tapos, paano bubuksan?